2016 Ford Fiesta with the 1.6 four-cylinder engine, and today we're going to be replacing the front brake pads and rotors. Let's get to it. Alright, and obviously the first thing we need to do to get to our front brakes, get this wheel out of the way. This wheel is held on with 4 19mm lug nuts. And you can see right here that this rotor and brake pad have gone metal to metal. That's why we're doing this brake job. Go ahead and give this knuckle a turn. We're going to go ahead and remove our caliper. It's these two 12mm bolts. I'm going to move my camera first so I don't keep hitting it. How's that? Is that a better shot? Yeah, we'll go with that. Now from here we can go ahead and remove our brake pads, possibly. There we go. And we're also going to go ahead and remove our hardware. Next we're going to go ahead and remove our caliper mounting bracket. That's these two 15mm bolts. When you have your caliper mounting bracket removed, go ahead and check your guide pins. Make sure that they're free and they move in and out with ease. If they don't, go ahead and pull them straight out, put some lubricant on there, and shove them back in, and hopefully that'll help you. If not, you'll probably need to replace your caliper mounting bracket. But other than that, go ahead, get yourself a wire brush. We're just going to gently clean in here where the hardware sits. Just get all that surface rust off of there, get it nice and clean. Doesn't need to be perfect or flawless or anything crazy like that. Just do a nice scrubbing. That's about it. Nothing crazy. Nice and clean. Next, go ahead and install our hardware. There it goes. And these just sit down in here nice and neatly. And there's this tong right here in the center. You want to make sure that that's pressed in nice and tight, because if it's not, the rotor spins right here and it'll be hitting this and you'll have a high-pitched squealing noise and it sounds really bad and nobody likes it. There we go. Next, let's go ahead and get this rotor off. We're going to be striking it in between the lug studs with a nice size hammer. If you're worried about hitting your lug studs and damaging the threads, go ahead and get your lug nuts and put them on a couple turns on each one, and that'll protect your threads. And by the way, for this job, we're going to be using the CarQuest Golf November Alpha Delta 1454 brake pads and the Yankee Hotel 317650 Papa brake rotors. Go ahead and install our new rotor. Next, we're going to reinstall our caliper mounting bracket. And before we put our brake pads on, we're going to come in here with some brake parts lubricant, and we're just going to put just a tiny dot of lubricant right where the brake pads are going to be sliding back and forth on. So make sure these brake pads have a little bit of lubricant so they don't seize up and end up causing damage and premature wear to the brake pads and the brand new rotor. Go ahead, you're going to install your brake pads at kind of a funky angle, like so, and then you're going to press in and they'll slide in pretty much by themselves, like so. Looks good. Now we're going to reset the brake caliper piston using an old brake pad and my trusty C-clamp. And we can go ahead and reinstall our caliper. Make sure to take our time to line everything up nice and neatly. And restarting those 12mm bolts by hand. And that's pretty much all there is to replacing the brake pads and rotors on the front of your 2016 Fiesta. If this video helped you out, consider watching this one next. I made that one just for you. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down there in the bottom corner. We're about to be posting a lot of videos on these Fiestas, so if you have one, you'd like to learn more about it and how to work on it, subscribing would probably be in your best interest. And until next time,